Bonjour tout le monde, je m'appelle Kushi. In this video, we are going to be studying about civilization of chapter number 4. I read your comments that this chapter was missing, so here it is. Page number 102 of your HSC textbook, Rencontre. First line. Éviter le gaspillage avec le try et le recyclage. Éviter le gaspillage to quit or to avoid the wastage with le try. Le try means uh, separating wet garbage and dry garbage. It is known as le tri et le recyclage and the recycling. Nous produisons tous les jours des déchets de toutes sortes. We produce all the days or every day the waste of every sorts of all the types. Des déchets de cuisine, the waste of kitchen, des sacs en plastique, the plastic bags, des déchets électroniques, the electronic waste. Alors, qu'est-ce que l'on peut faire? So, first paragraph told us about what were the problems and how do we make waste, how do we humans create the waste. Alors, qu'est-ce que l'on peut faire? Qu'est-ce que l'on peut faire means, so then what can we do? So, faire le try. Do the separation of segregation of wet and dry garbage. Séparer les déchets et les mettre dans les poubelles différentes. Separate the waste and put them in different trash bins or dustbins. Recycler les déchets pour en faire de nouveaux produits. Recycle the waste for making new products. The third is utiliser les sacs en tissu pour faire des courses. Utilizing the cloth bags for Sakhan tissue means cloth bags for doing shopping. Faire des courses means to do shopping. So here it was given how to reduce the wastage, how to do segregation of wet and dry garbage. First paragraph tells us about the problems and the second one tells us about the solutions. Okay? I hope you're through with this. Keep studying. Bye bye.